W12 blockchain protocol reduces risks, protects against scams, removes the need for third parties, increases transparency in the charity, ICO/STO, crowdfunding markets. To create an environment and a decentralized infrastructure where trust between parties is not necessary in any type of the deal and all controversial issues can be resolved quickly, transparently and rightfully. W12 vision to become the largest global platform that will change the established centralized ways of attracting finance, that are currently limited by geographical and political frameworks. To provide every investor in the world with a decentralized solution that will building a global world future. The oracles in the decentralized W12 network transmit verified information from the external world to the blockchain and confirm the execution of the scenarios programmed in smart contracts. W12 creates a system in which the parties do not need to trust each other, the settlement of disputes occurs quicker, more transparent and at a lower cost, providing a wide range of users with easy access to the benefits of blockchain technology. At W12 we are creating a bridge between the crypto industry and the traditional economy by integrating our solution into real businesses. The W12 solution allows to reconsider the role of the state as an arbiter in relations between parties and to relieve part of this burden from state institutions, shifting it to smart contracts and self-regulated decentralized organizations. The implementation of the W12 solution creates the basis for a new decentralized digital economy and is likely to affect some traditional financial and civil law institutions in the immediate future. W12 is creating a decentralized infrastructure in which parties do not need to trust each other. The protocol uses blockchain technology to ensure the transparency and addressability of transactions, smart contracts and oracles to ensure the control of implementation of the main stages of the roadmap by the project. The W12 solution also includes mechanism for DAO creation and a platform that allows projects to raise funds via token sales without initial costs or special technical knowledge. W12 tokens allow users to purchase tokens from other projects using the W12 protocol via the secure token sale model. The collected funds will be converted into W12 tokens in case a project selects the given method to reduce commissions. The project independently chooses which cryptocurrency the collected funds will be converted to for storage in the project fund. The more W12 tokens are used by the project, the lower the commission. For example, if project funding is not less than 50% in W12 tokens, the commission is 0, 30%, the commission is 6%, 0%, the commission is 10%. W12 tokens are used as fuel in a decentralized network of oracles. W12 tokens are used to reward oracles. Oracles will need W12 tokens and stacks to confirm transaction in network and the execution of milestones and receive rewards from the network. Advantages for participating in the W12 ICO. When purchasing tokens during the ICO, you get a premium expert account, which grants you the ability to receive tokens from hundreds of other ICO projects that have launched their ICOs on the W12 platform. Accounts are valid for 2 years. After this period, it will be possible to prolong the premium membership. When listing and conducting crowdfunding campaigns on the platform, a startup distributes part of its tokens among registered W12 users. 90% of the amount allocated by the startup is distributed among premium accounts. 10% of the tokens are distributed among all other standard accounts. In order to receive tokens from ICO projects, premium account holders must rate the project in their personal accounts on the W12 platform. The table shows the total number of premium accounts available. If there are no more available premium accounts in any category, the corresponding column will not be shown in the table. The number of tokens you receive changes depending on the account level. For example, Having a gold account grants you the right to receive 10 times more tokens than a bronze account. The main advantages of the technical implementation of the W12 solution is the flexibility, trust and transparency it offers to projects and token buyers. The project can issue tokens independently and sell only part of its tokens via their W12 solution using our smart contracts based on milestones. For example, their project can allocate 1%, 2%, 5%, 20% or 100% of its tokens for sale on W12. The project can implement almost any logic for its token sale by setting any interval for its sale rounds, discounts and bonuses, lock-up periods for early token buyers and many others. No programming required. The project can issue tokens via the W12 smart contracts and sell part of its tokens independently, for example, through private or via its website for the crowd. Creation of the ecosystem where token buyers do not need to trust the project team. When token buyers use W12 smart contracts for purchasing projects tokens, the team will execute its roadmap to receive token buyers' funds. Allows token buyers to receive up to 99.9% of their funds back if the project does not deliver or turns out to be a scam. Significantly increases returns in the early stages of ICO participation. Provides the boss ability of limiting the sale of tokens by early stage token buyers on exchanges immediately after the ICO ends, preventing a token price crash. Project must activate the token hold function. The W12 Oracle Network. Oracles. Reputable NS from different areas, lawyers, notaries, financial advisors, and others, who transmits verified information from the external world to the blockchain and act to confirm the execution of scenarios programmed into smart contracts. When creating a smart contract, the parties are entitled to establish the number of oracles used to confirm smart contract scenarios and their qualifications. When creating a smart contract, the parties are entitled to establish the number of oracles used to confirm smart contract scenarios and their qualifications. All oracles undergo confirmation of identity and complete a kite procedure. Each oracle independently assigns its rate in W12 tokens, which he receives for deciding confirmation of an operation. The more oracles that take part in the confirmation of an operation, the higher their rates. The higher the W12 fuel consumption. When creating a smart contract, oracles are randomly selected from their decentralized W12 network according to the specified conditions. In the basic type of the project fund, 12 oracles are randomly selected. The decision not to perform the stage requires 7 or more votes. If one of the oracles cannot vote, then it is replaced by a reserve one. When creating an organization, their initiator can specify a different number of oracles in the system, as well as their number and percent of the oracular votes of the total number needed to make a positive decision. With the help of voting, the oracles elect the chairman. 23. Each oracle's personal area and the W12 blockchain will display her rating and the quantity and quality of their decisions. W12 Business Model. W12 is commission-based service, while projects acquire funds via our platform. W12 charges from 0% to 10% of total collected funds. depending on the amount of funds stored via W12 smart contracts. Commission is raised, lowered, more funds stored with W12, less commission charged. Also, there is 0.5% charge for the use of the Protocol. 30. W12 technology create S. Trust and transparency between projects and token buyers, increasing returns, and reducing the risks whilst providing an excellent opportunity for thousands of talented entrepreneurs from any part of the world to create and release their projects. For more info, please join our social network. Thank you.